You finally get rid of the nasty pimple. You're so excited, and then boom, a dark spot shows up that just won't leave. You try every home remedy, turmeric, lemon, aloe, yet weeks later, the mark is still there. Does that sound familiar? If you've been wondering why those dark spots won't fade and how to actually clear them naturally, today's video is going to break it all down. Hey guys, my name is Yaz. I am the owner of Mobile Massage Store. I've been in the wellness and skincare space for years, helping people find natural solutions for glowing, healthy skin. And on this channel, I share tips, remedies, and solutions because I know what it's like to struggle with skin issues and waste money on things that do not work. Today, we're going to be talking about post-pimple dark spots, why they're so stubborn, and what you can do to naturally fade them for good. So let's start with why you even get dark spots in the first place. When your skin experiences a breakout, it's actually going through a form of injury. So once the pimple heals, your skin can produce excess melanin, which is the pigment that gives skin its color. That extra melanin clusters in one spot, leaving behind what's called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or PIH for short. This is especially common in deeper skin tones, but it can happen to anyone. Now, here's the kicker. Not all dark spots are the same. Some are just surface level pigmentation that fades within weeks, while others go deeper into the skin layers and can take months to heal. This is why natural remedies sometimes seem like they're not working, because the type of spot you have may require more time and consistency. Why are you still seeing dark spots even though you've been using natural ingredients like turmeric, lemon, or honey? Number one is inconsistency. Many natural remedies need daily use for weeks, sometimes even months, before you see results. If you're only using them a couple of times a week, it's not enough for your skin to renew itself. Number two, wrong ingredient for your skin type. So for example, lemon can be way too harsh and cause irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. That irritation can actually make the dark spots worse. Meanwhile, soothing ingredients like aloe vera or honey are much better for calming inflammation, but may not have strong lightening effects on their own. Number three, not protecting your skin from the sun. Guys, this is a big one. Even if you're using the best natural remedies, if you're not protecting your skin from UV rays, the dark spots will keep coming back darker. Sun exposure increases melanin production, so without some type of protection, your progress resets every single time you go outside. Number four, unrealistic expectations. Natural remedies don't give overnight results, guys. They work by gently supporting your skin's healing process, not forcing quick changes. Think of it like a marathon, not a sprint. So some of the remedies that really work and why. Aloe vera gel is rich in aloe, a natural depigmenting compound. Aloe vera can gently fade dark spots over time while soothing irritated skin. Turmeric, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and brightening effects. Mixing turmeric with honey or yogurt can make a powerful spot fading mask. Since you're here, I'm sure that means that you'd like to know more about using natural ingredients on your skin to get the best results. You're in the right place because that is exactly what I talk about on this channel. So I would love for you to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who needs it. This will help the channel grow and get to the right people. Thank you so much. Honey. Not only is honey antibacterial, but it also promotes skin regeneration. When used regularly, it helps fade marks and keeps the skin hydrated. Apple cider vinegar, when diluted, contains acetic acid, which can lighten pigmentation, but it must be diluted with water to prevent irritation. Green tea extract, loaded with antioxidants, green tea reduces inflammation and helps balance melanin production. The trick is combining these remedies in a routine that your skin can tolerate and sticking with it. For example, you might do a turmeric and honey mask twice a week, use aloe vera gel daily, and always wear sunscreen or a protective moisturizer during the day. So how do you put all of this into practice? Here's a simple natural routine you can start with. Morning, wash with a gentle cleanser, apply aloe vera gel, and then a natural moisturizer with SPF protection. In the evening, after cleansing, apply a diluted apple cider vinegar toner or green tea compress, then follow with honey or aloe. Twice a week, add in a turmeric and honey mask for targeted brightening. Stick to this routine for at least 6 to 8 weeks, guys, before judging the results. Take progress photos every 2 weeks. You'll be surprised at how small changes add up over time. And remember, guys, this is just advice I'm giving you. Always consult with your dermatologist or your estheticians for the best results. So remember, dark spots don't appear overnight, so they won't disappear overnight either. The key is patience, consistency, and protecting your skin from further damage. Natural remedies absolutely can work, but they work with your skin, not against it. If you stay consistent, your skin will reward you with a clearer, brighter, and more even complexion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, guys. Share it with someone who's struggling with dark spots, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. I'll see you guys in the next video.